$3,524 today, guys, on a Friday, where I decided to not take any live stream. So I'm doing a recap of what I've done today, which trade I took, and what came out in my mind, guys. First, as always, we go to the daily chart. Why the heck did I look for my trades today? First, yesterday we totally messed up. Yesterday I lost my head, I was tired, I was totally burned out from this live stream. I was like, and I traded very bad. So today I'm very happy I took a break. What happened today is that we had a very weak day starting as well from the opening. We went very short from the start, and I was like, okay, if we are definitely weak, what we have to do is look for the previous days, especially this area of retest 780 and taking the previous days. And since then, I will try to look for longs. So during the day, what happened is that we totally start selling off from the first candle of the day, that it is this one, opening mid level, where we're closing below yesterday levels. I was like, okay, from now on I would look for short in the tens here. I made $160 on the first trades, and then afterwards I called myself out after the 50 minutes range, never got retested, and I was waiting for the news. At 10 a.m. the news came out. You can see this candle spiked lower, took more lows, people, and then it started to rally higher. The moment you see lows being taken, previous days taken, and the market pushing, then I'm not going to look anymore for longs. I will start looking for shorts. I will start looking for longs. And that's what happened in this case. We come back above, we broke, and then the moment we start to slow down and it wants to retest an area, these 850 are beautiful, round numbers inside the 50 minutes range. I would have taken as well the one 840, this area of retest, and inside the range to look for a continuation higher. I took 2 more scalps. It came out to be a $3,524 days. It's a beautiful day, especially we catched up a lot of loss of yesterday. Of course, yesterday I messed up. It's unfortunately emotions-wise, I could have done much better. But glad that today I was very fresh. I was so relaxed. I was like, okay, you know what? Let's take a trade and chill for a moment. And I was on my phone, chilling, having some food, and without the necessity of looking at the charts for 1 hour straight. And I think that made a lot of difference on my patience time. I was scrolling Instagram, scrolling simple things, and it made a big difference on my actions taken during the trades today. And I'm so happy, I'm glad I've done this little change. So today was a beautiful day. At least we close a Friday in a good note, especially having a difficult week ahead these days. It's a good way to recover. We bring the accounts back in a good state. A few losing days this week, but glad, beautiful trading action taken today. I'm so happy with it. So guys, if you're thinking to get Apex, remember there's 80% off for the next few days. I think it has been renewed until the end of the month in August. So guys, that's the discount. And I think I will do some changes on my YouTube on how many lives I will do streaming every day. But that's the trades I've taken today. And if you want even more in deep on the 1 minute chart, we can go in it and see exactly where I shorted. You see, I shorted this 870, then I shorted the 850, retest of this area. I've taken 2 shorts, averaged down 860 for a quick scalp there, taking it out, and then cooling down until the 850 were retested in this area here. Beautiful trades, and I'm happy for that, guys. See you next Monday, probably for a live stream. I will decide and let you know in Discord. Welcome to Discord, is free, and you can join us anytime.